Hi, this is Dr. Frederick. So we're talking about how to find this value QA, and we want to put it in the critical range formula here, which has QA, mean squares within n sub j and n sub I. Or actually, those are both n sub j's, aren't they? Okay, so this formula is this value comes from a table. The table is what is true when the null hypothesis is true. What's the worst that could happen? What's the most extreme values you're going to observe when you have 4 treatments? There's a main campus and 3 satellite locations. We have 4 treatments, and then the degrees of freedom is 40. You can go back in the problem and see how they got that. Now, what I would do, if you're not comfortable using your book, just go to Google. We want a studentized range distribution calculator. We'll search for that. And here's a couple. Here's just a table. We have a table. It says, okay, we have 4 treatments. Our degrees of freedom are 40. So they're going to give us that. So we could get this from a table. Probably in the book is the same way. It says this is, you look at the top if your alpha is 0.05, and you look at the bottom if your alpha is 0.01. So we're in the 3rd column. We're going down, and we get 3.79 for alpha equals 0.05, which is what you get here. Now you could also do it even easier if you struggle with the table. Just put the values in. Here's another calculator. Okay, it says there's 4 treatments. Your degrees of freedom is 40. Your alpha is 0.05. We're interested in the value that's going to show up here. It's a very straightforward calculation. So once you find that value, you just go back and plug it into this formula. As they did here, they show you that the n's are just, there are 11 in each group, so 11 and 11. And the mean square within is taken from the ANOVA table. Come on. Okay, mean square within is 219. So you just put all those values in, and you just compute it. And you should know how to compute something like that. They're not going to teach you how to do the calculations to compute that. That's trivial work. Okay, I hope that's helpful to you.